What's up? It's Roladel Business, and today in this tutorial I want to teach you how to verify a credit card. Now, sometimes you might come across random credit card numbers, or perhaps your friends and relatives might have shared credit card information with you, and you like to try those credit cards online to see if they actually work or if they are valid. And normally, before you try to shop with a credit card online, it's important for you to validate or test to see if that credit card is actually working and to save you the stress. If you do this, it actually saves you the stress. So you kind of know if the card you have is actually valid, so you can actually use it to pay for whatever you want to pay for or shop online. And today in this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how you can verify or validate a credit card in 3 simple steps. So like how we always do, sit back, relax, grab a cup of coffee and watch me do this. But first, before we proceed, if this is your first time checking out on our videos, please I'd like you to kindly subscribe to Roladel Business and also tap the bell notification icon to ensure you don't miss out whenever we publish new videos or update existing content. It is important for you to do so that you don't miss out any of our freebies and free stuff that we give out to our subscribers. Yes, because if you don't subscribe or you fail to tap the bell notification icon, you will be notified whenever I give you out this free stuff. So to save you the stress or to make sure you stay notified and stay in line to receive my favorites. So if you've done that, let's get straight to the business of the day. And like I said today, I want to teach you how you can validate a credit card to see if it actually works. And to do this, we'll be using a free tool. Let's visit the website, and as you can see, a credit card validator on free tools. So if you've been watching some of my videos, you might have noticed I usually talk about free tools. It's a free SEO and digital marketing tools platform with over 150 premium tools that you can use for free without paying a dime. Yes, all of these tools are free to use and you can use them over and over again without paying a single penny. So to get started, just visit the website. For this tutorial, we're going to be using 2 tools actually. We're going to use the credit card generator tool and also the credit card validator tool. The reason why we need a credit card generator tool is so we can create a credit card with that too. And we're going to use the credit card validator tool to kind of validate the credit card we just created. So to get started, just enter credit card generator 2 in the search bar and wait for it to load up. And you open another tab so we can also open the credit card validator tool as well. So just enter in the search bar credit card validator. So go back to the first tab for the credit card generator. So scroll down. We'll just select. Let's use American Express for this demonstration and click on generate. So the credit card generator tool has generated an Hermes credit card for us. So you just have to copy this or copy the credit card number and go back to the other page, credit card validator, to scroll down, and we just enter the credit card number here in this box. As you can see, the software has automatically detected that it's an Hermes card. So we just have to remove the spaces in between the number and we scroll down and click on validate. Awesome. So as you can see, the credit card validator to check our credit card numbers and determine that it's legit. As you can see, it passed the loan algorithm check. And it also dictates a major industrial identifier, the issuer identification number, and the personal account numbers. All those metrics we are determined valid and passed. So this is how you can actually validate or test to see if a credit card is valid or not. I hope you found value after watching this video, and if indeed you've actually enjoyed and learned something from watching this video, kindly click the thumbs up button and also share this video on your social media platform. Thanks once again for watching. I appreciate you coming to Roladel Business and watching our videos. This will be all for now. Stay tuned.